Welcome back, Webflow creators. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to copy an entire page from one Webflow project and paste it directly into another in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Webflow project containing the page you want to duplicate. Navigate to that specific page and open your Navigator panel on the left side of the designer. The trick here is that you cannot duplicate the page file itself across projects, but you can effortlessly copy everything inside of it. So select the body element at the very top of your Navigator to grab your entire layout. With it highlighted, press Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on Windows to copy all of its contents. Next, open your destination Webflow project in a separate browser tab. Create a brand new blank page where you want this copied content to live. Click on the empty body element of this new page and press Command-V or Control-V to paste. Webflow will instantly pull in all your sections, divs, images, and CSS classes from the original project. Keep in mind that if you have dynamic CMS collections tied to the original page, you will need to recreate those collections in the new project first, so the data links up correctly. Once the paste is complete, you will see your brand new page fully populated with the exact same design, structure, and styling as your original, saving you hours of tedious rebuilding. If this cross-site copy trick saved you some valuable time, hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized Webflow hacks. Drop a comment below letting me know what feature you want me to cover next, and I will see you in the next video.